I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by signing into Appleid. Apple. Com in your browser. Enter your Apple ID and password and complete 2FA when asked. Once done, make sure you're on the account page and not a promotional site. You need a verified login so Apple shows your subscriptions. If you're in a shared browser, use a private window to avoid cached account data. This prevents misdirected cancellations and saves time when you search for subscriptions. Once logged in, navigate to Media and Purchases or Subscriptions and choose Manage to reveal active plans. You want the Apple TV entry. You'll see the subscription name, renewal date, and billing info. This helps you confirm the exact plan to cancel. Click the subscription to open its details, then choose Cancel Subscription or turn off Automatic Renewal. Make sure you read the next billing date so you understand when access ends and whether you keep service until then. You finish by confirming the cancellation when prompted. Apple usually keeps service through the paid period, so you retain access until the next billing date. After confirming, check your email for a cancellation receipt. This is your proof. If you don't see the change or the subscription still appears active, sign out, clear your browser cache, and sign back in to refresh the account state. If that fails, contact Apple support and reference the missing confirmation for faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.